All right, guys, day number 3. Today we are installing some backsplash. I got my guys picking up some hardy board. They got to do that installation prior to us installing any kind of tile because of some cabinetry issues. We don't want any kind of gappage because of how walls are just not the straightest walls, and you know how it is working on homes. Walls are never perfect. Wood warps, moves for moisture. So that's the first thing we got to do, and then I'll throw in that tile and we'll let it rip.
I heard that if you take steroids, you wouldn't have to work out.
All right, let's see. All right, so the hardy board's up. Damn, beautiful hole.
Let me put some.
Don't worry, I'll put it when I'm putting in the tile. So what was wrong with the cabinets?
The biggest thing is that the cabinet, there's like a massive gap over there.
Where?
Right here.
Well, see, once we get the tile in there, it's gonna be no gap. It's gonna be perfect. Yeah, I need some tools. Right? Yeah. Dude, that's sick. I should use this. Mauricio! It works. It works. Trick is to get all the full tiles in as quickly as possible. You can get it moving and to keep the energy going. Did you cut them correctly?
Cut what?
Tile. Did you?
I'm not sure what tile that one. It looks like.
Yeah, I'm gonna say it in Spanish. Para sunt directamente casados, directamundos. See?
No
See?
idea.
Well, it fits, so obviously it's C. See? Beautiful. Now most of this is gonna get covered up because obviously the venting, the pipe is gonna get covered up, and then there's your hood vent, but it looks perfect. Okay. Dan, put away the tile saw. Let's go. Next step is we're gonna go to a customer's house. We gotta look at the kitchen, take some measurements. That's the next thing we gotta put on schedule. Get them a quote going and see how that goes. So back to Auburn. Well, this is Forest Hill, but I gotta go through Auburn. See, exciting. I haven't been driving here for a long time. This is the Auburn Bridge. We used to come here all the time, but then they went and made a fence so big that you can no longer look down. So nobody comes here at all anymore. And as you can see, here you go, we're driving up to it. This is the highest bridge in California. As you can see, that fence is so tall. It's about 8 feet tall. So it's nobody's interest anymore. Before you can look over the fence, and now you can't. That's it, day comes to an end. Job, great success, and also I got a chance to look at the new job. Got to get some measurements, see what kind of stone I need, how much of it, to make it work. It's like a really big island, but that's it. We're gonna be back tomorrow. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Boys, did you like coming with me?
Yeah.
All right. I love it too. All right, we're getting closer to this completion. This is a 24 by 48 tile, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I love it. All right, we got a little pebble stone on the floor. Everything obviously has to be perfection, nice and flush. This is what we did on the niche. We made this shelf custom made, all miter, all the way around. Vein continues 100%. Nice and flush over here, obviously. It has to be perfection. That's what makes these jobs so beautiful. And obviously, just the detail is where it's gonna count. One more day and we'll be 1,000%. All right, that's it.